Good morning students. In the previous video class I discussed about western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. Now we will discuss about life in the region of western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. Now here the two coastal plains cover some part of the states. The two coastal plains cover some parts of the states. Eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains cover some parts of the states are Gujarat, Goa, Kerala, Odisha, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. These states are covered in the western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. Now we will discuss about the states, that the people how they are living in the region. So in the coastal region, the people mainly engage in the agriculture and also fishing, that is farming and fishing. And also some people grow rice and coconut in the coastal region. And also some of the people engage in exports and import. Exports and import means getting some things from the other countries and also sending some of the things, items from our country. That is called export and import. Some people are engaged in the export and import the goods from one country to another country. So the main occupation of the peoples are agriculture, that is farming and also fishing. And some people are engaged in export and import the goods. Now we will discuss first Gujarat. Gujarat, the people are engaged in the agriculture. Gujarat, the people are cultivating some of the crops like bajra, jowar, cotton and sugarcane. Bajra, jowar, cotton and sugarcane. And many people are traders. Many people are traders because the people are living near the coastal region, near the seashore. That is why the people are busy with the trade business, export and import the goods. And some are engaged in dairy farming. Some people are engaged in the dairy farming. Agriculture, the people are cultivating some crops like a bajra, jowar, cotton and sugarcane. And some people are engaged in the farming. And along the coast, salt is made by drying the seawater. Salt preparing by the people. And drying the seawater, salt is preparing by the people. And there are many textile mills, many textile industries, oil refinery centers, textile industry, oil refinery centers, and diamond cutting industries also. Some of the people engaged in diamond cutting industries. And now the people used to speak Gujarati language. Gujarati language. The people speak Gujarati. Okay, so the folk dance. Folk dance are called Ras Garba. Ras Garba. Folk dance. Village people during the festival time, they enjoy nicely with the dance. That dance name is called Ras Garba. RASGARBA. Ras Garba. Can you understand about the Gujarat states? Next states, Goa. Goa is an interesting place and also tourist place. People used to enjoy nicely in Goa. And Goa is famous for cashews and mangoes. Cashew nuts is more famous for cashew nuts and Goas. And now iron and manganese deposits are also found here. Iron ore, iron and manganese, mostly deposits found in that region. Iron ore and also manganese. Okay, the famous dishes of the Goa people. The famous dishes. Vindaloo and Zakuti. Z-A-C-U-T-I. Vindaloo. V-I-N-D-A-L-L-O-O. Vindaloo. That is a dishes. The people likes to eat. For example, that North Indian people used to eat pani puri like that, chaat masala like that only. That Goa people also have special dishes called Vindaloo. V-I-N-D-A-L-O-O. Vindaloo. Zakuti. Z-A-C-U-T-I. Zakuti. These are the famous dishes of the Goa people. And one of the famous church is there in Goa. Saint Xavier Church. Okay, some Saint Xavier Church. People used to go to the church. Famous church in Goa. Many people are attracted by the church. And now Xavier Church, and again famous fourth, Aguda. A-G-U-A-D-A. Famous fort in Goa, Aguda. That was attracted by many people. Xavier Church and also Fort Aguda. These are attracted by many people. And foreigners also used to visit these two places. The people used to speak Konkani language. In Goa, the people used to speak Konkani language. K-O-N-K-A-N-I. Konkani language. Can you able to follow about the Gujarat state and also Goa? Next state Kerala. We came to know about Kerala. No, Kerala is very close to Tamil Nadu and also Andhra. That Kerala people used to engage agriculture. Most of the people used to cultivate rubber, tea and also coffee, spices. Spices means, for example, cloves, cardamom, and in Telugu they used to say masalas. Okay, na? So spices, tea, coconut, and also rubber. Along with that, rice and coconut also they used to cultivate. Rice and coconut. Kerala means mostly famous for coconut and spices. And again, coir industry is more famous. Coir industry means they'll get from the coconut fiber. Okay, in Telugu what do they say? That the coconut fiber. C-O-I-R, coir industries. Coconut thread. They'll make the ropes, big ropes. Big ropes, no coconut. That is called coir industries. Small ropes, big ropes. That the coir industry is mostly famous in Kerala. And again the people used to speak Malayalam language. The famous dance, Kathakali dance, Mogini Attam means like a Deyala dance. Okay, Mogini Attam. Kathakali dance like a Bharatanatyam in Tamil Nadu, no? Kerala Kathakali and Andhra Pradesh Kuchipudi dance. Okay, like that is a classical dance. So famous dance Kathakali and also Mogini Attam. And important festivals of Kerala, Onam festival and Vishnu festival. Onam is the most of the people celebrate. Most of the people used to celebrate Onam festival. And Vishnu Puja. So Kerala state, about that the people used to engage in the agriculture. They used to cultivate rubber, tea and also coconut, some spices and also rice. And the famous industry is coir industries. The people used to speak Malayalam language. The famous dance Kathakali and Mohini Attam. The important festivals are Varam festival and Vishnu Puja. Next state, Odisha. Odisha, that is the older name Odisha. New name Odisha. Now, the important industries are textile industry, silver industries, handicraft industries, handicraft items. Odisha people used to make a different hand making things like a flower vase, like that, many items Odisha people used to make. And like that, coal, iron ore and manganese are mostly found in the region. Coal, iron ore and manganese. Coal, iron ore and manganese, these are the important minerals deposited in Odisha. What are the minerals? Iron ore, manganese and also coal. Coal, iron ore and manganese mostly found in the region. The two important industrial cities, Cuttack and Rourkela. Rourkela is more famous for iron ore industries. Rourkela and Cuttack, the two are industrial cities. Now the people used to speak Odia language. Odia language. The important festival is Ratha Yatra. Ratha Yatra. R-A-T-H-A-Y-A-T-R-A. Ratha Yatra. There in Odisha, one of the important bird sanctuary. Bird sanctuary. S-A-N-C-T-U-A-R-Y. Bird sanctuary. That is a bird center place. It's called Chilika Lake. The Chilika Lake is famous for bird sanctuary. To look after the birds. Can you understand all of you? So, next states, Tamil Nadu. Next state, Tamil Nadu. Tea and coffee are grown along the slopes of Nilagiri Hills. Most of the people engage in the agriculture. Paddy crops are the main crops in Tamil Nadu. Along with the tea and also coffee are grown along the slopes of the Nilagiri Hills. Kanchipuram and Madurai are the main centers of silk weaving. Kanchipuram is famous for pattu saree, silk, and Madurai, both the places are famous for silk weaving. Kanchipuram and Madurai, both the places are famous for silk weaving. People are fond of idli, dosa, sambar and upma. The famous food items of Tamil Nadu are idli, sambar, upma and dosa. Okay, famous food items are idli, dosa, sambar and upma. The people used to speak Tamil. Language. And now the important dance is Bharatanatyam. And also the people used to celebrate Pongal festivals. 4 days Pongal festival. Can understand? Next one, Andhra Pradesh. Most of the people engage in the agriculture. The people used to cultivate paddy crops in Andhra. Along with that, Andhra Pradesh is famous for Pandapalli toys. Andhra Pradesh is famous for Pandapalli toys. and also the most of the industries, mica industries and limestone industry found in Andhra Pradesh. Mica industry and limestone industries. Mica and limestone found in Andhra Pradesh. That is why they set up that mica industries and limestone industry in Andhra Pradesh. And important seaport is Visakhapatnam. Seaport, important seaport is Visakhapatnam. And now the people used to speak Telugu language. The important dance in Andhra Pradesh is Kuchipudi dance. So these are the coastal plains, states. Okay, can you understand how the people are living and what the people are eating and the people life, how they are going in the states. These are the coastal plains of the life in the region. Can you able to follow all of you?